Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, I'm Lorita Cabanis, 35 years old and was born in 1977 in Basista, Patagbo, Pangasinan. I'm residently at 26N, Oliveros, Balitoa, Quezon City.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am, I'm married.
How do you have children?
Yes, ma'am, 2 kids,
Two
7
kids.
years old and 1 years old.
1 year old. Are you? How many inches? Yes. What is your height
My height is 5'1".
and your weight?
I'm weight in 19 pounds.
90 pounds. And your father and mother's name
My
are?
father name is
Your father's name.
My father's name Florentino Cagunot and my mother's name is Francisca Cagunot.
Okay. How many siblings do you have in your family?
9,
9. And you are the first child?
4.
4. Okay. And what did you finish?
BSN nursing.
College graduate?
Yes, ma'am, 4 years.
4 years as a nurse.
Yes.
Do you have experience in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am. Training.
Training and taking care of newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell us now about your work experience. Are you ex-abroad?
Yes.
Do you have
First time?
First time. Do you have experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me?
Take care of the baby and do all the house chores like cooking and feeding, in-house and car washing, take care of the new baby, giving to milk, and changing of diaper and sing loving song.
Okay. What about naughty children? Can you take care of them?
Yes, madam, I very fat little children. I want sure I take care of the employing little children.
Okay. Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of foods can you cook?
I know how to cook, but I'm Filipino dessert. But I willing to dessert Chinese and my employing will teach me.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, madam, I am interested to learn. I know I will understand will the bit better that especially the old member of family in the little Cantonese.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because higher salary being the domestic helper. This I can better help provide to my family in the Philippines.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your prospective employer?
Yes, madam. I chose me as the domestic helper. I may promise to work hard to me and my promise to finish to 2 years contract.
Thank you.